I'm sure you know the saying that when the tide goes out, you see who's swimming naked, right? And certainly over the past year, as liquidity has been drying up, interest rates have been on the rise, it's been very tough for a lot of companies, notably in the tech space, and anything mildly speculative from cryptos to startups. What will, as a futurist, 2023 look like on that front?
Well, as you said, when the tide goes out, you figure out who's not wearing any clothes. But when the tidal wave of innovation comes in, you figure out who has bought a ticket on the ark. And our view is that this is a unique time in technological economic history. I've never seen such a marked discrepancy between the price action in the equity market and the actual rate pace of innovation on the ground, between AI, gene sequencing, robotics, electric vehicles. We've never seen innovation moving so rapidly. And so the fact that the innovation stocks have been severely punished, some of them are now in the value indices, indicates to us that there's a coiled spring. And once the Fed even shows a hint of pivoting and stopping its tightening cycle, we think there's probably going to be a relief rally in innovation names. Along the way, it's very clear that there are going to be wildly performant technologies that get released that people begin to use. If you look at the App Store today, and on the Apple App Store, the #1 rated app is a generative AI app, both in terms of number of downloads and revenue. And if you look across our portfolio, our companies, we believe are going to deliver, outsized growth, and they're priced as if this was all a flash in the pan induced by COVID, some kind of fever dream. We think innovation is actually going to come roaring back over the next couple of years because the actual tangible evidence is that this is really a unique time to get invested in innovation.